Hello friends and welcome back to Melita's Delicacies. Today I have yet another very traditional Goan recipe, and that is the atol. Now atol is a tea time Goan sweet that's made with rice and channa dal, cooked in Goan palm jaggery and coconut milk and infused with flavors of freshly pounded cardamom and fresh turmeric leaves. In yesteryears, atol was prepared in large quantities at homes, and it was prepared as a celebration of good harvest by the landlord somewhere around October and served to all villagers. It is also one of the sweet dishes prepared on 1st August, as it is a belief to prepare something sweet on this day. So let's get started. Here I have 1 cup of Goan parboiled rice, which I have soaked for about 6 hours, and I have here 1 cup of channa dal, which also I soaked for about 6 hours. I have here 2 cups of freshly grated coconut, and I have 1 large mature turmeric leaf which I'll cut into pieces and use, and I have cardamom here, of which few I will use in this dish. Now jaggery to be used as per each one's preference of sweetness. We prefer a little of less sweetness, so I'm going to use so. You use according to your requirements. So now to make the process faster, I have added my rice to a pressure cooker, and I have used water so as the rice is immersed in the water, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and cook this for about 2 whistles. Until then, I will extract the coconut milk, and I'm adding about 8 cardamom, and I will grind and extract the thick coconut juice. I'm also extracting another 2 times of coconut juice. Now already 2 whistles are done of the. Now I will release the steam, open the cooker and add your channa dal, and add the 2nd and the 3rd extract of the coconut milk. Give it a good mix. Add your jaggery as required. Mix it well again. Cut and add the pieces of turmeric leaves. You may decide to add it later, but I prefer to add at this stage. Mix it all well and cover and cook it for about 4 whistles on medium flame. Once done, release the steam, open and check. You can see my dal and the rice is almost cooked. At this stage, add the thick coconut milk. Now if you can decide to stir it, add the coconut milk into the cooker itself, but I'm finding it little difficult to stir in the cooker, so I have transferred it into a wok and add the thick coconut extract. Give it a real thorough mix and let it cook on medium flame, stirring continuously. If you leave it alone, then it might get stuck to the bottom. Now at this stage, your Godshem is ready and you can consume it. But if you continue cooking it till it is nice and thick, which you can put in a plate and spread it, and you can slice it, that is called as atol. So I am going to continue cooking to make my delicious atol. Continue cooking till the atol comes to a ball kind of a consistency. It's almost getting done now, but I will continue cooking it for a little longer on low to medium flame. If you keep your flame high at this stage, it will surely get stuck at the bottom and you will get the burnt flavor in the atol. After about another 3 minutes or so, my atol is ready and perfect to put it in your plate. And when it is hot itself, spread it into your desired thickness and let it cool completely before you cut it. Till the atol cools down, let me enjoy the Godshem. You can see the consistency of the Godshem. And here my delicious atol is ready to be relished. Do try this recipe any time of the year and enjoy with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you again with yet another interesting and exciting recipe. And friends, if you like my video, don't forget to like and then share with your family and friends. And if you are new, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you next week with yet another interesting recipe.